Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn how to fix an iPhone 15 stuck on Apple logo storage full. The iPhone 15 series offers a range of storage options to meet diverse user needs, available in 128GB, 256GB, or 512GB. It's good enough, but there will still come a time when the used memory has almost reached the limits, with a warning saying storage almost full. Having storage maxed out could lead to several kinds of issues. One of them is the screen stuck on the Apple logo and the device won't turn on smoothly. If you have the same problem with an iPhone 15 stuck on Apple logo due to storage full, no need to panic. This issue could arise when the system fails to operate as usual or complete the boot up sequence as your device is out of storage. And here, we'll provide you with some simple to follow tricks to get iPhone 15 out of the stuck Apple logo screen when storage is full. Don't forget to give this video a like or a super thanks if you think this video is good and helps. Now, let's start. Step 1. Force shut down Apple logo screen. When your iPhone 15 is stuck on Apple logo and storage is full, it's likely that the operating system is corrupted. Doing a forced restart helps clear problems like overloaded RAM, cache, or bugs that prevent the device from booting up. It won't lead to data deletion and the process is just as easy. Here's how. First, press the volume up button once. Next, press the volume up button once. Then press and hold the power button located at the right side for a few seconds. The stuck Apple logo should disappear and the screen turns black. It means the device is turning off. Still hold the power button until the Apple logo pops up. This time, your iPhone 15 is booting up. Just wait for it to turn on past the Apple logo. To avoid exhausted memory, delete apps and videos that are taking up too much memory space. With sufficient storage space available, the iPhone 15 full storage stuck on Apple logo issue should be resolved and the device goes back to normal working order. Step 2. Factory restore an iPhone 15 via recovery mode. If, after the reboot, your iPhone 15 still gets stuck on the Apple logo due to full storage, consider resetting the device. It could be a pain, as all the stored data and configured settings will be removed. But as long as you've enabled iCloud backup or owned a recent backup on the computer, you can restore the data back from the backup. The entire process could take 1 hour or 2, so ensure you have enough free time. Here's the full tutorial. Let your iPhone 15 connect to a PC or Mac. Open the latest version of iTunes or Apple Devices app. If you're using a Mac with Mac OS Catalina 10.15 or later, iTunes is replaced by Finder, so just open the new application. Next, to put your iPhone 15 into recovery mode, press volume up, then volume down, and then hold the power button longer. When the support interface along with a laptop and a cable comes up, release the button. Go to the computer, where a dialog box should appear from the program window. From there, move the mouse to click the Restore option. Then, click Restore and Update. Next, agree and wait for the restore process to finish. Your iPhone 15 will exit recovery mode after 15 minutes. Just repeat the steps to enter recovery mode again and continue the restore. You should see the Apple logo with a progress bar on the screen of your phone. Once your iPhone 15 is restored to its original state, it'll restart itself. The Apple logo screen stuck due because iPhone 15 storage is full should move on. When you're greeted with a setup screen, just follow the setup assistant to configure your device as new or restore from a backup. Step 3. Erase all data on an iPhone 15 via iCloud.com. Have no access to a computer to do a reset? No worries. Plan B is to log into iCloud.com and erase your iPhone 15 stuck on the Apple logo because storage is full. This is simple to do in any browser. Here's how. Visit iCloud.com. Sign in with your iPhone 15's Apple ID and the password. Enter the two-factor verification code if required. Once it brings you to the iCloud homepage, select the green Find My option. Next, choose the name of your iPhone 15 that keeps showing Apple logo due to storage full. To do a reset, select Erase iPhone, and choose Erase again to trigger the process. Once completed, the Apple logo should no longer get stuck on your iPhone 15 now. Step 4. Consult official customer service. Normally, most iOS system issues can be easily addressed by doing a factory reset. If your iPhone 15 remains stuck on Apple logo as it is out of storage, contact support is the best bet. First of all, use the link in the description below to explain your issue in detail to see if the customer service has additional methods. If they suggest doing a hardware diagnosis on your iPhone 15, just book an appointment at a nearby authorized service center. Then, take your device there for further evaluation. That's all for how to fix an iPhone 15 stuck on Apple logo if storage is full. If you find this video helpful, please buy a super thanks for this video and give this video a like. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more useful videos to help those in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.